siya guys. Kapoy guys.
Timola, Subeta, Montes, Carlosa, Clarito, Clarito, Marquis, Perino, Palomero. Love story belongs to vertical structural irregularity. Sabi niya dyan, a soft story is one in which the lateral stiffness is less than 70% of that in the story above, or less than 80% of the average stiffness of the 3 stories above. So, kaya ba yun solve ni listahan? So, madali lang kasi when I write this one, wala siya error. So,
Thank you so much, Aya. Aya, babe. Thank you. Hey guys, ulan tayo. Laban-laban na to.
Ay, lang hanap.
Ay, wala eh. Wala eh.
Ano?
Bakit mag-vogue?
Ato to. Atra, 1, 2, 3, go. Eh. Palayo. Eh. Si Aya. Gikulba na.
Guys, so last session, it's 10:30. So manguli na ta. Fighting! Sayaw ba?
Sama ko. Ano ba yun?
Eh, 1,000. Passcode guys, 9482. Uy, sayaw ba? Sayaw na. Wala, may naglabas sa pera. Ay.
Asa ka?
Kalunguy siya, doy. Ako'y nag-iisa, walang ka naman.